Hey everyone, it's Dog Guy Darin with a product review, but it's for cats. I know some of you dog people like cats also, so check out this. It's a PETLINKS electronic mystery motion toy, battery operated. It's like $13, and oh my gosh, this is a great toy. Bob and I rate it 5 out of 5 paws. Here's Bob with more. Friends, this is the best $13 you could ever spend. This is the PETLINKS Mystery Motion Concealed Electronic Motion Cat Toy. You put this thing on and it babysits this kitten. Isn't that right, Bob? Bob loves it. It's got several modes here. And Bob can even turn it on himself. But we got slow, got medium, got fast, and we even have random. This is Bob's favorite activity. You can find this on Chewy.com. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. So, this is highly recommended and approved by Bob. We give this a rating of 5 paws out of 5 paws. It's really awesome. Anytime Bob starts chewing on me or scratching my leg or my hand, I just go over and turn this thing on and he is occupied, and I can go put some aloe vera on my cuts and schedule a tetanus shot. So, here we go. PETLINKS. Mystery Motion Cat Toy. Bob, you love it? Is it a 5 out of 5? Bob says, yeah. Get this for your cat or kitten today. Bob, it's gonna get you. It is battery operated. Oh my goodness. Get it, Bob, get it. Jump and get it, Bob.